Hi Mock Plumbing, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is just the words and photos on your home page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. We see that you guys have probably about 300 words, so you definitely want to get some more content added to your homepage. Another thing, when Google is scanning your site, they don't see photos, they read what's behind them. So when we save image as, we can see that this is saved as feature project pic. You want to get that switched out to a keyword. Taking a look at your competitors, Bleach Plumbing, they don't have a whole lot of content on their homepage, probably about 300 words as well. Henry Plumbing, same thing, not a whole lot. And Roto-Rooter has a little bit more, probably like 500 to 600 words. So that's all very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we Google search Plumbers Savannah, the first thing we're going to see are the paid ads at the top, which they're not exactly effective. Not a whole lot of people actually click on the paid ads, and majority of the traffic goes to the map pack and to the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is simply just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. And the tool that I like to use to check on citations is called whitespark.ca. So when we look at you guys, we see you have 54, Roto-Rooter has 14, Henry 61, and Bleach 45. So what I would go ahead and do is just add 350 citations just so you can beat your competition by a landslide. That'll help get you into the top 3 positions along with optimizing your Google My Business listing. So the last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. And a backlink is also known as link juice, and link juice simply put works like this. So site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you obtained works a lot more effective if you have relative sites linking back at you. So if there was a plumbing site in California linking back to you, that's a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug your URL in here, we see that you have 26 referring domains, giving you 44 backlinks. Bleach has 21 referring domains, giving them 198 backlinks. Henry 66, 205. And Roto has 50 with 565. And not all backlinks are created equal. So there are spammy backlinks and there are trustworthy, and obviously you want the trustworthy ones. So here the UR is the power of your site and DR is the trust. And Google ranks sites that they trust. So ideally these numbers will be double digits and they'll be close to each other. So checking out Henry, we see that 25 and 6, those are pretty off balance. So their backlinks are very low in trust, so they're pretty spammy. So what we want to do is go ahead and just add more relative backlinks to your website that are not only powerful but trustworthy. So let's take a look at the keywords. So here we have the keywords. The volume is the average monthly searches. KD is keyword difficulty, and position is where you sit for that keyword. So let's go down to the Savannah keywords. So plumber, Savannah, Georgia. There's 200 searches a month. It's 11 KD, and you're in the 27th position. Savannah plumbers. There's 250 searches a month. It's a 9 KD. You're in the 31st position. Plumbers in Savannah, Georgia. That's 60 searches. Plumbers Savannah, Georgia. There's another 200. You're in the 37th position. So you see that there's quite a bit. There's hundreds of searches that you're not being found for because you're either on the 2nd or 3rd page. And statistically speaking, the guy in the first position gets about 33% of all these clicks. So we definitely want to get you moved up in your rankings. So just to do a recap for you, you want to go ahead and get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. Get your photos saved as keywords. Another thing I noticed is you want to get an SSL certificate for your website because it's showing Google that it's not secure, and Google really likes to see a secure website to protect your visitors' information. I would go ahead and add another 350 citations so you can outrank your competition in the map pack. And you want to go ahead and get more relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back at you so you can rank in the organic section. That is all I have for you. These are all things you can do yourself, but if you'd like to take the most effective, easiest route, you can just reach back out to me. Again, my name is Stephanie. My email is info@peerlessstrategies.com, or you can just call me directly at 912-661-3473. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.